Hello guys, I tried to close my garage door opener right now and my door won't close. The lights blink on my garage door opener 10 times. If you have similar issue, watch this video and I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. That's what happens when I push close button. Start with checking the safety reversing sensors. The sensor beam should be installed no higher than 6 inches above the garage floor. The first one was installed correctly, and now let's move to the next one. And this one is installed correctly as well. Both LEDs should glow steady, indicating alignment. And as you can see, the receiving sensor blinking green, and it is already not a good sign. And now I would like to check the sending sensor. It should glow amber. And this sensor doesn't have any power at all. Start with checking sensor wires to see if you can find any visible damage of the wire. When you checked all wires on the wall and ceiling and you did not find any visible damage of the wire, move on to the next step and check connections of the sensor wires in the garage door opener. Unplug the garage door opener and open control door panel. And check the wire connections to the terminals. Black and white wires are your sensor's wires. And as you can see, one of the wires right now is loose. And now I would like to see what happened there. Just push the release orange button and pull out this second wire from the white terminal. And as you can see, this wire broke inside of the white terminal, and now I need to fix it. I'm gonna cut this part of the wire with pliers. Also, I'm gonna cut the end of the second wire. I already stripped insulation from each end of the wires, and now I'm gonna twist two white wires together. And insert this twisted end of both white wires into the white terminal. Check white and gray terminal to see if you have any loose wires. When everything checked, close the control door panel and plug the garage door opener back in. After I fix an issue with wires, the sending sensor works and glows steady amber as it's supposed to, but the receiving sensor still blinking green. And now I need to align the safety reversing sensors. Adjust the sensor up or down until both LEDs glow steady, indicating alignment. Now sensors are working and I can attempt to close my garage door. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.